So Gerald rise up a natural presser.
One and show him the presser. Can you put the
Yeah, Ital. Yeah. And one more?
yeah. Press down the banana.
Yeah.
Natural presser. I'm sure you're gonna burn them up.
Like you got no.
I don't know why.
Let's get you the one I talk about.
Generally, it's just like you. We always use the skins of the stuff to put in it.
Yeah, of course.
To put
I
and
need to use some
fertilize the stuff. No rat bad shit or goat shit. Or cow shit.
Thank you.
Yes, Daddy Travis.
Anything else in there?
Alright.
Yeah, one more.
Thank you. Uh-oh. That's alright.
Alright. It's okay?
Not yet.
It's alright?
It's nice.
Show love all day? Show love all night? Give thanks and praise to the Most High. You know you can check out the stove. Naturally made from stone.
And what else?
Packed from the ground. Kendra is inside. She came all the way from Atlanta to come and cook in this kitchen. Yes. Yes.
Who comes so far to cook in a kitchen like this? Yeah. And I've seen so many nice kitchens, but this one is the nicest by far.
Alright.
True.
The birds in the background and everything.
Right.
Yes, yes man. The birds them came smelling the food.
Alright.
And come down.
You see them?
Yes.
Look bird always come shot. Look, you know. You know?
Yes.
And I know there.
Because we don't shoot birds. Because we don't eat birds.
Man.
So the birds them love us.
I'm not putting a cage in the rasta.
Because we love them.
I need a different something to put my banana because I'm soon burn out. I'm soon.
Try to turn them. Turn me far.
Okay.
Yes. Travis, catch a little piece of the video, Travis. Let me help them out.
Yes. You want a shot? Have small shot one. Wait up.
Do you have something to put my food in? You know? Is it? He's coming?
Oh, yeah. Ready, Shanti? Yeah? Shanti?
Yeah.
You don't have to tap smoke. You don't have to smoke again. Yeah? You know what I want to smoke Shanti, you know? Shanti? Shanti? First take about 21 with a gun earlier.
Alright.
Right now it's going to use about one a day, you know? Or two. You know see? Yeah, no, okay? Wait a man. Serious man. Mission man. Yeah, man, different condition. That's a fire work, you know? Yeah, man, serious work, man.
No joker.
No, man, serious work, yes, sir.
What do you haven't taken camera video of? More food, no people.
Sandra,
Yes.
this lady do want to build me up, you know, this lady?
Yes.
She do want to build me up. I want to get a woman, I want to get a nice one to me. Yeah? Anyway, someone will need a good one.
I don't know where the women are. I might be the only good one I know.
Wait a
I
minute.
can build somebody else with
No, Shanti?
Yes.
No, but
But
Yes.
Shanti don't want no woman to cook on good food. He wants someone to give her foolishness.
no, sir, you're
It's
different.
true.
No, Sandra, that's a different, Shanti. Yeah?
Yes.
You want me to cook you veggie chunks.
A Jamaican man?
and rice and flour.
Not even that alone.
Me don't know that.
Veggie steak too.
Chanty?
Me don't want no veggie steak to give my man. What kind of foolishness is that?
Veggie fish.
No, sir.
Veggie fish, tofu,
No, man.
seitan.
Yeah, really. Hey, I really. Hey, I really, man. I'm a Jamaican man.
No, me don't come from Jamaica.
But you come like a Jamaican. Say, born Jamaican. That's
Maybe
it,
that
Sanja.
time.
Chanty.
The last time.
Chanty. It make people drink like idiot. Me say?
She a nanny, you know.
Me say make people drink like idiot.
She a nanny, you know.
You know,
Nanny gone in her.
Come.
You see me, daddy?
me say make people drink like idiot daughter. Princess.
Nanny gone in
Really
her.
princess. What say?
You just need to take a gunshot in your bottom. You see, yo.
Yeah, take care. No, good man.
This.
You know, so I Rasta. Chanty.
That nice.
Chan.
Yeah.
A good man, man. You know? Oh. Not sure if you know get eat.
This one, this one look nice. Pan it on the stove.
Oh, Shanti.
So I'm gonna put it inside.
Chanty. Because you got to know about the thing in Chanty. You come here.
Kind of that. No.
Right.
Alright. Sorry for
Aya Congo.
Alright, General. Give me the crunchy one.
Aya Congo, man.
That tastes like a whole different something
Hot.
than the ones I just made a couple days ago in America. Oh my goodness.
Oh, Shaggy, much in the chest is Chanty. No one way, you know. Want to want to. You know, Chanty? Yeah? Serious, Rasta. No good, you know?
Shag.
No good, me say.
We could come like crab.
I want to fly off the
Brother.
You double it out.
I don't want to waste battery. There you go.
You want the pot cover too?
Thank you.
Want the cover?
Banana.
Ay, nana. Ay? Ay, nana.
Not banana.
Banana.
I nana.
Fried up.
I pumpkin.
Eye pumpkin.
Yes.
Eye pumpkin.
I fruit.
Eye fruitas.
Chanty.
Yes.
You supposed to get from Janto, so.
And eye.
High okra.
Eye
Eye pepper. It's all about high.
Eye.
Everything with the Congo start with a high.
True. Everything is eye.